The Supreme Court has questioned Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal about why he did not submit his bail request to the trial court in light of his suspected involvement in a money laundering case involving the excise policy scam. Now to this, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers responded. They said that Kejriwal did not apply for bail because the arrest itself is illegal. When asked if his name is in the CBI FIR, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who represents Arvind Kejriwal, replied that the ED's arrest was solely relying on the statements by co-accused turned approvers. So it is the Supreme Court today, while hearing Arvind Kejriwal's plea, asking the Delhi Chief Minister why he did not submit his bail request to the trial court when it comes to the allegations submitted against him. We have our legal editor, Harish, joining us live in a short while from now. But for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, let's tell you what happened in the Supreme Court of India. Kejriwal's plea came up in the Supreme Court of India. So far, he hasn't managed to get any relief from the High Court or the other district court. In the Supreme Court of India, the judges have asked Arvind Kejriwal that why did he not submit his bail request to a trial court. After which, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel responded that he did not apply for bail because the arrest itself is illegal. Now, he was also asked if his name is actually present in the CBI FIR. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who's representing Arvind Kejriwal, then went on to reply that the ED's arrest was solely relying on statements by co-accused turned approvers. In the past, we had seen how the Delhi High Court had come up with some very, very scathing observations with regards to aspersions being cast on approvers. Now we have Harish joining us live. Harish, take our viewers through what exactly happened in the Supreme Court, what were the questions asked by the judges, and how did Kejriwal's lawyers respond?
Yes, that's right. The Supreme Court began a detailed hearing as far as the petition filed by Kejriwal challenging his arrest and subsequent arrest is concerned. Remember, he has been in jail and behind bars for 1 month and 1 week now, ever since his arrest on March 21. In fact, the Supreme Court posed two questions as to why he had not responded to ED's summons. Number two, why, in fact, says that the statement of Kejriwal that there is a contradiction in Kejriwal's statement that his statement under Section 50 of the PMLA was not recorded. The Supreme Court at this juncture asked, first, you did not appear before ED to get your statement under Section 50 recorded. Then
right.
how can the ED record your statement under Section 50? Kejriwal went on to emphasize that since September 2022, he was not arrested, and suddenly asked what was the reason, whether any material was found suddenly, and also questioned,
Harish,
is this the way Chief Minister should be?
I'll have to stop you there, only for the want of time, because we'll have to take a short break here. But we're tracking that story, and we trust you to keep us ahead on that. Taking a short break here on Times Now, telling you all about what happened in the Supreme Court of India with regards to Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea. Taking a break, we'll be back with more breaking news and updates.